Hello everyone. Look at this. It's a nice sunny day. Sunday morning. They're all waiting. Okay. So here in Canada, the maple trees, once they get to a certain point, it's been warm nonstop. You see in the trees, there's these like little red things. So those are the buds. And when the buds open, they release these little bits. So those are all from the maples. I don't know if it's bad for the fish, but there's nothing I can really do. But look how clear it is. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there. Another dose of sludge remover is going to be put in soon. But look at these guys. Why don't we feed them? You can see those buds. They're everywhere. Which, you know what that is? A sign of spring. Guys, remember, like and subscribe. Oh, here's lava. That fish, when we bought him, was like black with a little bit of red. And more red just kept on showing up. Yes. Loving these guys. So, I just posted a video from yesterday. And we have our new fish we bought. There's one of them that we got is a lot like this guy. That one's more shimmery though. I'm telling you, I am so excited to have them come in. So this is one of our new guys here. A little shabunkin. So we have 3 shabunkins in here now. There's one right there. And that little guy, and then we have another blue one somewhere. So, yeah, it's looking really good, guys. And we actually have, I always forget about this. Right here, there's a water lily coming up. It should be able to go around this, so I don't really want to touch this. I just put that there. Oh yeah, I forgot. We got water lilies here too, right there. So, no frog here. This is running really nice. We have our marsh marigolds starting to bloom. I got those out of a ditch one day. So I was wondering what that was the other day, and it looks like just a log. I'm gonna have to go and take that out. I should really head into the pond. All right, so I also posted about these. I'm going to try and see if I can close them up, put them back up, and hopefully they'll work. They don't. So I'll be calling Amazon tomorrow if they don't work. The fish love coming up because I put these. These are the palms. You can see the old growth there. I put those in and they love just like eating out of that. But guys, it's looking really nice. There, I don't know. There's the brown guy that was right there. Oh, there he is. This one. That one didn't look, it's hard to see. Where are you? It's right in here. It didn't look good. I thought he was going to die, but doesn't look like he's going to die. So I also have these pots here, and they are for my cannas when they come back out. But the water lilies are hitting the tops. They're all really starting to grow. Oh, it's so great. Look at all these monsters here. Checking out who's in here. I just want them to be used to me. Not be afraid. But it's looking really good, guys. Like, every time I come in, I like stirring it up. It just gets things flowing. All the junk gets caught. And, yeah. Some more columbines. We got this vine growing here. The vine's actually everywhere. And I'm okay with that. I just honestly want straight on growth. Something gets too crazy, then I'll take it out. I have the other alligator. I'm going to bring him out. He's over there. But yeah, man, it's looking so good. There he is. This is the brown guy. And I don't know if you can see, there is a little bit of white on him still. But I think he's coming back. He's swimming around. That alone, right there, you can see there's still something on him. But it looks like he's swimming around. It's great. Where's Goldie? The thing is, sometimes, like, I saw a fish way at the bottom, and I'm like, who's that? But, you know, you never know how they're feeling. They all look pretty good. I don't see Goldie, though. I think Goldie, like, chooses to, like if one of the fish were in this tube, you wouldn't know. They're just kind of chilling in there. Like, look, there's one chilling right there. That's Snowflake here. It's hard to see there. Guys, remember, like and subscribe. Do it. Yes. Yeah, it's part of me feels like I need to go in and move things around, and I actually might do it. And then once I do that, take out some of the junk and put it in buckets and add some more sludge remover. And I have to put some of the bacteria in as well. What's the temperature? The temperature is what? It's so hard to see this. Looks like 10.1. So it's actually cold enough. So, man, I love this time of year, though. It just looks fabulous. So great. Let's give them one more feed. They're all kind of everywhere now. Swimming around. They're all woken up. Here we go. Here they come. It's the call. Come. Feed me. Look at this big guy. The big gray guy. Oh man, I love it. I love it so much. It's just great seeing them swim around. Yeah, it's just great seeing them swim. All right, folks. So we'll have an update for you tomorrow. And hopefully the water's going to be even clearer. All right. You guys have yourselves an amazing, amazing day.